Bütün Azerbaycan musiki ictimaiyyəti için büyük bir internet auditoriyası.
Isn't it exciting to see how digital technologies can bridge the collaboration between Azerbaijan and European Union, and how cultural heritage can be renewed?
Current connection is still not the optimal one. It's a very, very long one which goes from Baku to Frankfurt and then up to Tallinn, and it's a long way.
Luckily, I think that the god of bits and bytes were with us tonight, and it all worked out the best way it could ever happen.
And Academy? Baku Music Academy.
Academy of Science, strawberry for us.